east of Sumatra, on the other end of the Netherland Indies, on 29th December, 12 B-25's of the 38th Bomb Squadron, 5th Army Air Force, bomb and strafe Jap supplies and dispersal areas near Sedate Airstrip on the island of Celebes. Coming in over the target at an altitude of 75 feet, the planes make effective use of the screening protection afforded by trees and jungle brush. Our planes encountered light 20mm anti-aircraft and machine gun fire from the ground. Each plane is loaded with 12 100-pound parademolition type bombs, whose slow parachute descent gives low-level bombers time to escape the blast. All planes returned safely.